Hello everyone, my name is Joly and welcome to my channel. I make art videos, and for today's video we are going to do a watercolor floral border. So I'm gonna paint all over this area, and then we are going to leave this blank. And I saw this very nice arrangement by this Instagram account, flower design underscore shikon, and just love the feel of this arrangement, and this will be my reference photo. So it just looks so refreshing and looks so light and happy. So we are going to add flowers like that, and yep, there's also another bunch of flowers right here. So let's see what we will create today. I have no specific plan, but for my paper, I am using the Langton Prestige, and then for the paints, I'm using Art Philosophy. So I'm using different sets. I have Currents, Classic, and I have here the Odyssey set. I just opened all the sets that I think I might need. For the brush, I think I'm gonna use the Princeton Neptune series, so this is size 6. Okay, so I'm just gonna mix a brown color, and we're just going to create a round shape. And then let's grab, so I got my essence set here. Let's grab Emotion, and it's just a very pale blue color. So I'm just gonna pull that brown, so let me add a bit of green just to like bring some life to this flower. Okay, so for the other flowers, I'm going to create some yellow centers. And then let's try to use this color. So we just want a really fun and happy vibe, and I'm going to keep this really loose so it's not going to look realistic, and we are just going to interpret the reference photo in our own creative way. Okay, so I'm just gonna add a bit of brown here. Okay, then let's add some green. So I think I want a green that's really bright, so you can add also a bit of yellow. So let's add more stems. Okay, so I added brown here again, and then oops, let's try to fix that. I'm just going to add a bit of green, so we're not going to be like strict with the bleeding. That's okay. I've added the brown, and now I'm pulling it. Then let's add some yellow yellow centers over here, and add this kind of turquoise color, and I'm diluting it because I want it to look dainty. Okay, let me clean that up. And okay, Let's try to add a bit of purple and some blue. So I'm just like dabbing any color that I feel like it will look great. So we're not really super strict, and I just kind of want to have fun with painting this border. You can add some leaves. You just need to fill in the white spaces so that it doesn't look blank. Okay, and I'm just making thin leaves like this, so you can just drag it. Okay, then let's add some brown right here just to define the center. This makes it look 3D. Okay, and then for some areas, I think I just want to add some fillers, and just gonna put some like random markings. And then let's add some stem. So I'm just doing this to add more flowers to just fill in the spaces, and I think it looks great. So now I think I want a deeper green, so I'm gonna add a bit of blue. Let's just add some leaves. And this is easier to paint if you're painting quick strokes. Okay, I think we can add more flowers here. So I'm gonna add some yellow centers, and let's add this turquoise color again. Oops, it is too strong, so I'm just gonna try to dilute it. I think I want to add a bit of purple. Okay, and then let's add some stem. Okay, so I'm gonna put another big flower over here, and let's add a bit of green. So just try to keep your strokes really loose. So I usually hold my brush right here and not right here, because I want movement in my hand, and that's one way to keep your strokes really loose. Okay, so we have one more main flower right here. Then let's add some yellow centers over here. I'm gonna add a bit of brown again just to give it that 3D effect. Now let's add some stems. And now let's add some sort of buds. kind of want the bulbs to be like yellow green in color, so I'm just gonna mix these two. And again, I'm just keeping it really loose. You can add just a bit of purple to this mix. Okay, then let's add a bit more brown. We are almost done. Just gonna add a few more leaves, and also I guess you can add some fillers. Okay, now I'm adding turquoise colored buds. And I guess we are done. That's it. It's very easy. So if you have time to do this, and just please tag me if you're going to post it. I would love to see your paintings, and I'm gonna put the Instagram account right here, but you can also see it in the description box. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again in my next video. Bye.